Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can do split screen on a Samsung phone. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So there's a lot of ways you can do the split screen actually. You can do it like as a floating window or just completely split the screen. So how you can do this is there's multiple ways actually. But the easiest and most straightforward way to actually do a split screen is that once you click on YouTube, let's say I want to split screen YouTube, I'm going to click on YouTube, and then I'm going to exit YouTube, okay? Now from exit YouTube, you're going to click on the icon on the top over here, click on it, and then you're going to find something called Open in Split View or Open or in Pop-Up View. You're going to click on Open in Split View, and as you can see, I have half of the phone over here. And I have all my applications that do support another split screen. You can use it. Like, let's say I want to use Instagram, for example. So now I can navigate and use both. I can navigate and use both on split screen, and use both applications split screen. It is this easy. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.